When the power goes out, linemen spring into action, getting to the scene as soon as possible to restore power to homes in their area. But when they head out of their home to restore power to yours, they are leaving their family in the dark. Mike Olson has been a lineman for 22 of his 24 years of marriage to Roxanne. He's been called out on holidays and almost missed the birth of his daughter. While it's not the only high-stakes job out there, it's one that the public often doesn't think about. But for those who are manning the fort at home, the dangers are all too real.
Concerned because it's a dangerous job. You know, he can make a mistake at member services or any little thing you do around the home and you're okay. But if you make a mistake, you know, with high voltage, that's it. That's it. There's no more. When he goes out to a storm, you know, we know that he's going to be working really long hours to get people up as fast as they can, but at what expense? You know, I always tell him that when he leaves, I'm like, be safe, be safe.
So remember, anytime you're awaiting the return of power to your home, the families of those out there restoring it are awaiting their safe return back to theirs.